Hi, my name is Sean Jacob Sabu,
Hi, I'm Satlaj.
and welcome back to our channel, Tutor
Tutor My
My
English.
English,
Today we are going to be learning about nouns and pronouns.
verbs and adverbs. All of these are parts of speech.
What is a part of speech? In the English language, every word is called a part of speech. मतलब ऐसे ऐसे अलग words जो sentence में अपना अपना काम करते हैं. For example, nouns, pronouns, verbs, adverbs, adjectives, prepositions, conjunctions and interjections. आज के वीडियो में हम सीखेंगे nouns, pronouns, verbs and adverbs. Now, nouns are the easiest. These are names, places, things, and again classified into common nouns, proper nouns, singular nouns, and plural nouns. Common nouns are generic like a ball, car, stick, etc. And proper nouns are more specific like the names. For example, Raj, Bombay, or our channel, Tutor My English. Now, singular nouns are used for singular items and it's easily recognized since there is a or an before it, like a cat, an apple, and plural nouns used for more than one person or more than one thing. It's easy to recognize because they end with an S or ES, like cats, apples. Now let's see a few examples of nouns. She has a pair of shoes. We can refer to it as a thing. I have a parrot. Animal. Is this your book? Where you have an object. He is my brother. A person. This is my school, a place. Pronouns are the words that are used in place of a noun to avoid repetition of the noun. Different types of pronouns are personal pronouns, possessive pronouns, demonstrative pronouns, etc. For example, I, he, she, it, them, his, yours, who, etc. Personal pronouns. They are subjects in the sentence. Example, Raj is my brother. Raj is the subject. So the personal pronoun to be used here is he. So we'll make a sentence. He is my brother. Let's go to possessive pronouns. They show ownership or belonging. Example, my, his, yours, hers, etc. For example, this is my book. The possessive pronoun is my. The next is demonstrative pronouns. They are used to point to something or someone. Example, these are my shoes. So the demonstrative pronoun here is these.
Verbs. Verbs are words that show some kind of action that has been performed in a sentence. Examples such as reading a book, running in a park, or watching this video. These are also called action words. Topic is adverbs. Adverbs are those words that are used to give more information about the verbs in the sentence. Some examples of adverbs are today, quickly, early, etc. How to easily recognize an adverb? Here's a trick. Simply ask a question how, why, when, or where. If it answers your question, it's an adverb. Let me give you an example of adverbs. Let's say, for example, Raj reads the newspaper every day.
Hope you liked our video. Stay tuned for the next session on parts of speech. Meanwhile, like, share, and subscribe, and do let us know in comments which other topic you would like us to explain in our upcoming videos. Happy learning!